I've got something fun and interesting that I want to share with you guys. The Department Earth and Space Sciences program here at Olivet Nazarene University just purchased a new piece of technology that is going to be really fun and interesting, and it's this new drone. It's the DJI Mavic Air. Let's take a look. It's really not that big. It's kind of tiny, in fact. It's folded up. It's like about the size of my cell phone. It's really not that big at all. Makes it really easy to transport. We can take it places, which is going to be really fun. I think the students are really going to enjoy this and get a lot of neat use out of it. It's going to give us some really cool footage, looking at geologic structures from the air, different features of the land. I've not flown it yet, so I want to take it out to a nearby park and put it through its first test flight. Let's go. So I was trying to think of what to name this drone. I was thinking of famous names of ships like the USS Enterprise or the HMS Beagle. So I asked our alumni for suggestions, and they were great. I wasn't sure what to do with the designation until one of them suggested MAX, Mobile Aerial Explorer, named after a longtime faculty member who retired this past year. I also wanted something geological, and the fire red color of this guy of course made me think of lava and the recent events in Hawaii. So in honor of our professor and the people of Hawaii, I christened this ship the MAX Kilauea. Alright, so we're gonna try to fly this drone. First test flight, Okay, so we're flying in newbie mode. We've got our wing props on. All right, where should we put this thing?
I took some pictures with it.
How about you put it out there so we can see it on the camera? Okay, keep going straight.
What?
Keep going straight, just like a few more steps. Okay, stop.
There we go. Now we can see it.
Okay, ready? There it goes. Now it'll just hover if I don't do anything.
You should put it up to the moon.
Some people have asked me, so what are you going to do with it? Aerial imagery has long been a part of the Earth's sciences. Decades ago, people used airplanes to take images of the land's surface to give us a different view. And that information has helped us understand so many aspects of Earth science over the years. And it wasn't just airplanes. Helicopters, hot air balloons, rockets, blimps, kites, parachutes, zeppelins, catapults. Okay, maybe not that last one. These days we also get a lot of imagery from satellites in space and even from astronauts who take photos from the International Space Station. Those satellite images combined with GPS technology have completely changed how we navigate ourselves from one place to another on the Earth. Aerial photos are the basis for topographic maps, an essential part of any land use study. There are lots of applications for aerial imagery: environmental and archaeological studies, geologic mapping for structures and resources, agriculture, military uses, urban planning, even advertising and movie productions benefit from the information gained from aerial photographs. But creating aerial photos has been out of reach for a small undergraduate program like ours. Not anymore. The arrival of high-quality consumer drones has changed that, and now will allow our students to take part in capturing aerial imagery and working with it. The educational goal is for our students to first capture their own aerial imagery and then hopefully use it to create a digital elevation model of some nearby feature. Data that they can import into GIS software and integrate with other kinds of geospatial data.